What is up, YouTube? Today I'm going to show you how to use your iPhone as like something to like weigh an object, I guess. This will only work on iPhones that still have 3D touch. So iPhone 7 all the way to iPhone XS. So you go to settings, and when you're in settings, I want you to guys to scroll to go to accessibility. I want you to go to touch, 3D touch, and I want you to turn this on. Make sure the sensitivity is in the middle. Then I want you guys to go to a website called touchscale.co, and you can put stuff on top of your iPhone and it'll wait for you. Thank you guys for watching. Let me make the video 1 minute long. I like 1 minute long videos. Okay, bye-bye.